Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out, 2027 Grand Design Imagine 25 RLE. We have tandem doors, tandem axle, and very nice floor plan. We'll get inside here in a moment. It's a warm one, and it's early, so it's going to be a hot week. But it's the week before 4th of July and the 250th anniversary of our nation. So it should be a hot week. As we open the door, we're going to head in. And right away, you see you've got 3 cubbies right there. You've got 2 drawers. I'll get inside and lose my shadow here. We have 3 cabinets above, and they are pass-through, as you can see. Nice dining area. And then you have the drawers, solid surface, mirror. Great place to come in, set your groceries down or your luggage. Same way here. You've got cubbies for shoes and whatnot. Let me swing around here and show you this nice setup. So you have solid wood drawers and a cabinet. We have a bank of drawers and a 3-burner cooktop. We have, I don't want to remove that, but you've seen an oven before. And then we have the microwave above, flat screen TV, HVAC. As we swing around, we have corner cabinets, nice deep sink with pull down wand that you can spray. You also have your paper towel holder. As we swing across on this side, we have a cabinet with 2 cabinets, or a cabinet with 2 shelves, and the same way, 1 shelf and a floor, but same principle. Theater seating right across from your TV, and then your dining area with nice white cushions. As we swing around and head down the hallway, here we have the bathroom. We have cubbies, 3 cubbies there. We also have 3 cubbies here and a small cubby, great place to hang washcloth, towels. Then we have the hooks for your personal items when you go in and take your personal items, hang them up. As we work our way into the bedroom, we have additional storage underneath the bed, and then we have the sliding shelf or drawer. We also have cabinet with 2 drawers, and then a second door that we saw from the outside, TV backer board, and it's pre-wired. And then we have cabinets above, cabinets for your hang-up clothes on both left and right. And we also have, whoopsie, we have a cabinet here that you could rig up a a clothing rod in there to hang up additional hang-up clothes if you have those sorts of hang-ups. So any comments, questions, leave them below. We appreciate it. We'll catch you on the next video. Again, this is offered by Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new, used, service, and parts. Thanks again.